This is the Kia Soul EV 2015-2019, and if you have the warning stop vehicle, check brakes, the problem is not with the brakes. Most likely the most common culprit is this 12-volt battery here. This is an electric vehicle, so it doesn't use vacuum from ICE, from internal combustion engine, for the brake booster. It doesn't have the brake booster, as you see, so it uses electric motors to create this, to help you brake, to create these power brakes. And the electric motors, they use these 12-volt batteries, and if the battery is low, if the battery drops voltage when some systems try to use it, it will start glitching, the modules will start glitching, and that's why you will see that weird message, stop vehicle, check brakes. So what you need to do, you need to check this battery with a load tester, and if under load it drops voltage a little bit, it means that the battery will require replacement. Also, some modern load testers will give you the actual health of the battery in percent, and you will see if the battery still can be used, maybe after it's charged, or it should be replaced immediately. And this is how you troubleshoot the problem with brakes in the Kia Soul EV.